Stephanie Garena. I'm an independent stylist with Stella & Dot, and I want to thank you all for joining us tonight. I want to thank Nettie especially for hosting this online Facebook trunk show. So thank you all for joining us on Facebook. I hope that you are sitting comfortably on your couch, drinking a glass of wine or a diet soda, and just relaxing with your computer or your cell phone or your iPad or however you chose to join us tonight. But I hope you're comfortable and ready to just do a little bit of shopping and have some fun. So first of all, I wanted to showcase just a few of the items that we have here tonight. You can always click on the link on the Facebook event and hop right over to the website and view the entire line of Stella & Dot items. And remember that half the line is less than $50. So hop on over at any time and take a look at all of the items. But first of all, I wanted to let you guys know about the special that we have going on right now through the summer, and that is for our fabulous getaway bags. These bags come in 7 or 8 different patterns, and they are the best. They are super big. The inside is completely wipeable. They're great for beach or weekend getaways, whatever you want to do with them. They are so great. And the good thing about these is that they are so big, and just when you think they're big enough, just unzip them a little bit, give them a little shake, and they get even bigger. And you think you can fit a weekend's worth of wardrobe in there. Well, now you can fit your whole family's weekend worth of wardrobe in there. So you have got a great bag to tote all of your stuff in for the weekend, and you're good to go. Now, the special that we have going on for those, that's the getaway bag. If you buy a getaway bag, you get the hang-on for free. So now you have the perfect way to carry all of your jewelry or your makeup or whatever you choose to put in here for your little weekend getaway, overnight stay, whatever you're doing. This is completely free when you purchase your getaway bag. And these come in several different colors as well, so you can mix and match your patterns and be cute and stylish and, you know, get all of your stuff totally organized. So be sure to check out that special. If you have any questions, be sure to leave a comment or something, ask me on Facebook, and I will certainly help you out. The other thing that I want to make sure I feature is this necklace right here, which is the Sutton necklace. And this is the mixed metals. And this is Nettie's favorite necklace that she has been hinting about. So I actually texted her earlier today to let her know that I had gotten it in. So I wanted to feature this and let you guys know about this. So be sure you click on over to the website and take a look at this. This necklace is actually 5 necklaces in one. There are 5 different ways that you can wear this necklace, and it comes in 3 different styles. This is the mixed metals. It also comes in blue stone, and it comes in white stone. So this is an excellent buy. Like I said, you can wear it 5 different ways for just one necklace. So that is a great purchase. Now, Stella & Dot, I think if you know anything about Stella & Dot, you automatically think jewelry. Well, Stella & Dot's not just about jewelry. We have all sorts of tech accessories. We have a wonderful line of handbags. This right here is my own personal laptop case. So this is what I carry my laptop in for work. And because I travel a lot for work, I actually purchased this handbag. And it is my favorite bag. I travel weekly. I have day trips to Houston every week, and I purchased this bag because it is expandable. And because it's cute, let's face it. So this bag right here expands, and I can fit my laptop, my iPad, so I can read on the plane, and you know, my wallet and everything in here. And this is the only bag that I have to carry when I make my day trips for work. So I have everything in it, and I'm good to go. And again, it looks cute. So I have this bag, and then I also have my tech wallet. And the thing that I love about this tech wallet is that this little pouch in the middle will hold my iPhone 5. And it does hold other smartphones too, so you can take a look at the website and check that out. But it's got a place for my credit cards, and it has another empty pouch over here where I can put my car key or my lip gloss, whatever. And then I can just toss this in my bag and I'm good to go. And if I don't want to carry my purse, if I'm just running out to the grocery store or something and I don't want to take my whole purse with me, then I can just grab my tech wallet, and it's got a wristlet on it, and so I'm ready to go, and I don't have to carry my whole purse with me. I've got my cell phone, I've got everything ready to go, so the tech wallet is a perfect buy. So we've got tech accessories, we've got jewelry, we've got getaway bags, we've got purses, we've got all sorts of things for you to take a look at. So hop on over to the website, stick around on Facebook. I'll be around to answer your questions. Nettie will be on Facebook. So again, thanks for joining us, and ask any questions that you have on Facebook. I'll be around. Thanks again.